Are you present in this moment right now? आप यहाँ हो, like here right now 100%? And if you're not, तो उसका impact क्या है? फिजिकली कहीं पर हो, कुछ कर भी रहे हो, बट मेंटली you're somewhere else. उसका impact क्या है? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. So, we all know how important it is to be in the moment, but we all also know this कि हम present moment में होते नहीं हैं. We are living in our patterns from our beliefs, and we are most of the time operating from our subconscious. Right? तो चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली होती चली जाती हैं और उसका एक सर्टन इम्पैक्ट है. अगर मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ तो आई एम मिसिंग आउट ऑन लाइफ. और उसका एक इम्पैक्ट ये भी है कि आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट what is happening with me, right? What if I am upset about something, then what is it that's really bothering me? What kind of a physical discomfort it is giving me? What are the sensations that are happening in my body? Where are those sensations? मुझे पता ही नहीं है क्योंकि मैं अवेयर नहीं हूँ. मेरे लिए वो अपसेट या वो डिसएम्पावरिंग इमोशन जो है वो इट्स जस्ट लाइक माई होम. आई फील एट होम. ओ दिस इज व्हाट आई एम यूज्ड टू. और मैं वहाँ होती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे महसूस कैसा हो रहा है, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या हो रहा है, क्यों मैं ऐसा कर रही हूँ, अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, ये सब तब आएगा जब आई एम कॉन्शियस, आई एम अवेयर. But we are operating from our subconscious, and hence we have no idea, with no practice of getting aware. The good part is कि ये consciousness build की जा सकती है. Yeah, and one of the things I want to share with you, which I am doing, I'm going to start doing it from today amongst the other activities, is I'm setting 3 alarms on my mobile phone, and जब वो 3 alarm ring होंगे, I will check where I was. Was I in the present moment? जो भी मैं कर रही थी, क्या मैं 100% वहाँ थी या मैं अपने past में या future में थी, right? And the moment I see that, I am also going to take the opportunity to put in my heart and soul 100% awareness, consciousness to do any activity in that moment for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes also. 2-3 मिनट मैं कम्प्लीटली उस एक्टिविटी को करने लगाऊँ. सो जैसे अभी आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर ब्रेकफास्ट, एंड आई एम प्लानिंग टू पुट असाइड एवरीथिंग एंड be fully there while I'm preparing the breakfast. So which means if I'm using a knife and I'm going to cut mangoes, I am going to see and experience, okay, this is what is happening. Maybe how that mango, I'm peeling it off, and then how I'm slicing it, and then when I'm going to put it on maybe the sandwich, I'm preparing sandwiches, so जब मैं वो बनाऊंगी तो कैसे हो रहा है. Then when I grab a bite, how does it make me feel? So this is just an example, but pick up activities and just spend complete time, like be there 100% fully aware. It could be something very, very basic. Even if you are, sweeping the floor, you're watching television, you are reading a book, you are just taking a walk. So just hold on, watch what is around you, the trees, the leaves, the garden. Okay, there is a pile of, kachra here. Anything. Practicing being conscious, being aware, being in the moment right now. And ये muscle धीरे धीरे develop होगी. धीरे धीरे you will see, you will have more of these experiences. अभी आप चला करके consciously इसको practice करोगे, धीरे धीरे it will become a part of you, right? But this is how you will learn to be in the moment. So one step at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. पूरे दिन में अगर एक बार भी करते हो, 2 मिनट के लिए भी करते हो, किसी भी चीज़ में जो भी कर रहे हो, 100% देयर. Even if it's your office work, even if it's writing an article, on your system, anything. Yeah, I hope you found this useful and you're going to practice this. Please share with me what you did. How was your experience? I'll be super happy to hear from you. Hit the like button if you found this meaningful. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.